Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Priya and today we really have a very special haul. At least it's special for me because as you all know, I have been to Canada and definitely I did some shopping there, and that is what we are going to discuss today. But because I did not have enough space in my bag and also there were overweight issues that were going to happen, I did not shop much. Did a very little shopping in terms of clothes, but I did buy a lot of makeup and skincare. Because I did not buy much clothes, let's start with clothes and then we can move on to makeup and skincare. So for the first one, we have this white oversized t-shirt. Now excess size over there wasn't even my size and this is extra large, so you can imagine how oversized this is. But never mind, because I am into oversized clothes these days and I really liked it. Next up is this grey trouser. Now this is the color that I wanted for a very long time, and because this was full length for me, I did buy it, though the size is again the issue here, but I can get it altered, so I just got it. So the last thing that I have in clothes is not something that I have purchased but gifted to me by one of my managers. So this is kind of sweater, sweatshirt, pullover, whatever you would like to call it, and it's from the brand Roots. This is a Canadian brand and my manager wanted me to have something that would remind me of Canada and obviously her. She was kind enough to gift me this, and that was a complete surprise for me. She also took me over for a lunch and then she gifted me this. Yeah, I think I have the best manager. Yeah, I'm very thankful, grateful to have a manager like her, and thank you. I know she's not going to watch this, but thank you so much. Moving on to makeup and skincare, but before that I would also like you all to know that when I got to know about my date, when I would be visiting Canada and all, I listed down a few places to visit for my vacation that I had extended. Also, I decided on visiting Sephora and what all I would be purchasing there, because as you all know, the hype of rare beauty products, I really wanted to try them myself as well. So I had listed out the products that I want from Rare Beauty, and that is why actually I was visiting Sephora in the first place.
I wanted to get some lip oils, skin tints. So before even deciding on what products I want to buy from Rare Beauty, I went through so many YouTube videos that had reviews of Rare Beauty products, and most liked products were on my list. Rare Beauty hasn't launched lip oils in India, and also Rare Beauty is very expensive here, so I wanted to get Rare Beauty products from there. I did not get the lip oils, but I did buy different products from different brands, so let's get into it.
So first, I do have this box and also a few products lying in here, so let's get started. Starting off with the skincare products. First up are the products from The Ordinary. Now we do get these products in India. I did see a slight price difference in the product, and which is why I got this moisturizer for me. And this hyaluronic acid was supposed to be for my friend, but he forgot to take it from me and now it's mine. So yeah, and I have been using these products for a long time. I like it and I got them. Well, I also had asked for recommendations from my friend to what skincare to try from Sephora. She recommended moisturizer and toner from Glow Recipe, and I tried to search it over there, but I did not get any because they were out of stock. Also, it happened to be my birthday month, and Sephora has this offer where when you purchase anything in your birthday month, they give you some gifts. So when I got there, I purchased a few things from Sephora, and that is when they offered me 3 products in which they had this Glow Recipe product. So without even thinking twice, I opted for this. Had this niacinamide dew drops and toner, which my friend recommended, so I got this. And also the toner is already over, you guys. So I have been using this and it's literally so good that I have asked my friend to get me the full size of these products. These are the niacinamide dew drops. This is a multi-use product. This can be used as your skincare in the PM and also as good moisturizer or a primer in your makeup routine. So I have started using it wisely just before my makeup instead of using it as a skincare, because for me this toner is doing everything that I want. So yeah, this is the best purchase, and I'm getting in full size soon. So the next product isn't something that I have purchased from Sephora. I visited Chinatown in Montreal, and there was this shop where there was Korean and Chinese skincare and also makeup. It was really not that big shop, but I almost spent 30 to 45 minutes in that shop because I was so attracted towards everything that was kept in. It was so pleasing to the eyes because it just looked so aesthetic. The colors that were so cute. But all the time I was there, I was literally eyeing on these COSRX products, and I wanted to try them for a really very long time, but I always found it on a very expensive site. These are still expensive, but I was able to save almost 800 to 900 rupees. So I thought, let me give it a try. And if they work, I can always purchase it because it's skincare. If this also works just like the Glow Recipe products, I'm going to buy more of these. So I'm really looking forward to using this, and I'll keep you guys updated. Now moving on to makeup. As I said, I was going to Sephora only for the Rare Beauty products, and I did not get as many products I wanted. First up, we have this foundation, liquid foundation. Now I was very confused between skin tint and the foundation, but because skin tint was again something that was unavailable, I had to get my hands on this foundation. It's in shade 280N. I just hope this is my shade because the lights in the store are very different from the natural light and the lights that we use at home. Next up is the liquid blush in the shade Encourage. I have heard so much about the blushes, like how pigmented they are and how long do they stay. So I can't wait to try. And those are the only products that I got from Rare Beauty. When I was checking for the Rare Beauty lip oils and the staff said that they were unavailable, they asked me to check some different brands. I came across this lip jelly from Tower 28. It's really nice. I really like the shade, and also it stayed up for a very long time when I tried it back then, so I just got it. Now the next makeup products that I have are something that we also get in India. But when I purchased it back then, it came damaged, which is why I returned it, and ever since I haven't seen the shade that I wanted back in stock. So when I got to see these products, I wanted to have them, but because they did not have any testers, I got these two shades. Also, I got them for at least 100 rupees less than what we get in India. So it was a good purchase. And while I was checking for those skin tints, I also saw this concealer, and again the testers were not available, so I got it just near to the shades of the skin tints. The Nykaa sale is coming up, so you can also get your hands on these products if they are available in your shade. Obviously, this next product is really something. Okay, so whenever this product comes in stock, I have seen it go out of stock within hours. So it's like some or the other makeup influencer puts up a story about this product being in stock. I check this story after 2 to 3 hours, and when I go on the app, I have seen it out of stock. This is again another product that I have been wanting to try for a very long time, and it's from ELF. It's their Hello Glow liquid filter. This is again a very good purchase, and it was also at least 300 rupees less than what we get in India. So this was a very good purchase. Another two things that I have purchased: this eye mask. It's so cute. I just wanted to get it because it looked cute. And then with that, I got this set of clips. It's very sturdy, and actually I got it for the colors. It's very Pinteresty and a very nice purchase again. So that's all for my haul and all the things that I have purchased back there, and hope you liked it. I'll also review all these products for you all. What I can do is, instead I can do my skincare makeup over here, and we can have the first impressions of the products. That sounds like a good plan to me. I hope I would be able to do that. And yeah, looking forward to using these products. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I would also like you all to know that this is my first haul video and I'm very nervous as is, but I would really appreciate if you take a moment and comment down some suggestions that I could take on and work on myself to getting better. And yeah, any mistakes that I have done, please just ignore. I'll improve them. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's keep growing and glowing together. Bye.